Today we'll show you how to upload photos or videos in your Google Photo, and you can share it with what you want. Okay guys, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe. Okay, first open your Google and go to Google Photo. If you don't know how, okay, just go open your Google here and go here Google Apps and just click here photos. Okay, now go to updates and or go to album what you have. Okay guys, but now need just to go to photos. Just now need, okay, this is a picture or this is a file of pictures or what you have. You want to have a video or something like that. Okay guys, just now we will now a test. Just now get this and go here to your, okay, and click original quality or storage saver. If you have this, you will be full quality, and this it's like low quality. Just now original quality, continue, and you will wait it a few minutes or 1 minute or few seconds for uploading. And I think now finally it has been uploaded. So this is uploaded. Just guys, you can have this and you can do like this to share it like this, and you can copy or something like that to any people. Okay guys, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.